Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.3 second question. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Clearly here 3 is it a rational number, 2 root 5 is it as irrational number. So rational plus irrational makes as irrational only. But prove this one as into indirect method proof. For that one purpose we using contradiction method. Let us assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Here rational number means it may be a number or fraction. That is 3 plus 2 root 5 equals to a by b, comma, where b is not equals to 0 and a comma b belongs to integers. So 2 root 5 equals to a by b transpose to 3 RHSI, we get it as minus 3. So that equals to a by b minus 3 can be written as 3 by 1. We take it as LCM b into 1, do cross multiplication, a into 1 keep minus as usual and b into 3. That equals to a into 1 makes as a, keep minus as usual, b into 3 as 3b by b into 1 as b. So root 5 equals to a minus 3b whole divided by 2 transpose to RHS, we get it as divided by 2b, this one treated as equation 1, where a comma b are the integers. So a minus 3b is a integer by 2b is also a integer. Whenever integer as in p by q form is called as a rational number. Clearly root 5 is an irrational number and a minus 3b whole divided by 2b is a rational number. We know that irrational number is not equals to rational number. But according to that equation 1, irrational number equals to rational, we get it. This is contradiction to our assumption. Clearly 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.